Hi everyone, welcome to Gallant AS. This is Let's Go 120 Plus in Prelims 2021 series. Here we will be discussing the potential question for the upcoming prelims. Here we will be discussing two questions, and the first question is, which of the following are the pillars used in the calculation of Global Innovation Index? So the question is regarding Global Innovation Index, okay? And the given pillars are infrastructure, market sophistication, human capital, and then government spending on research. Actually, we framed this question based on the prelims previous year question. For example, UPC has asked question relating these components of ease of doing business. Components of ease of doing business. So we can expect similar type of question for the upcoming prelims. So let's move on to the explanation. This Global Innovation Index is published by Cornell University Insert plus World Intellectual Property Organization. This World Intellectual Property Organization is a specialist agency of UN, United Nations. Okay, here we learn two facts. The first fact is the authority published this Global Innovation Index. The Global Innovation Index is published by Cornell University Insert plus World Intellectual Property Organization. And the second fact is this World Intellectual Property Organization is a specialist agency of UN. Okay, and this Global Innovation Index seeks to assist economies in evaluating their innovation performance. From the name itself, this Global Innovation Index calculates or compare the performance of the countries regarding this innovation. Okay, then India ended the top 50 innovating countries for the first time in 2020 since the inception of Global Innovation Index. Simply, India's performance increased under this Global Innovation Index, and India's rank in the Global Innovation Index in 2020 is 48. Okay, and this Global Innovation Index has two components, and the first component is innovation input sub index, and this the next one is innovation output sub index. Innovation input sub index and innovation output sub index. Here also UPC may twist the given statement like this Global Innovation Index consists of only one sub index like innovation input sub index. Then this statement become false because this Global Innovation Index consists of two components or two sub index like innovation input sub index and innovation output sub index, and both these sub index have equal weight. Okay, both these index have equal weight. Okay, then this innovation input sub index consists of 5 pillars. Okay, so you can note down these 5 pillars, and the first one is institutions. Okay, institutions, then human capital and research, human capital and research, then infrastructure, the quality of infrastructure, then market sophistication, then business sophistication. So these are the 5 pillars under this innovation input sub index. Okay, so these are the information regarding this Global Innovation Index. So let's move on to the question. So we should select the pillars used in the calculation of Global Innovation Index, and we have already discussed these 5 pillars. And here the fourth one, government spending on research. This is not included under this global innovation index. So we can eliminate this, the fourth one, and we got the answer option A, 1, 2 and 3. The remaining components or the pillars are infrastructure, market sophistication and human capital. So the answer is 1, 2 and 3 only. Okay. So the next question is, which one of the following is not measured as a part of the Food and Agriculture Organization's food price index? So the question is regarding food price index. Okay. From the question itself, we get a fact like this. This food price index is published by Food and Agriculture Organization, and we know this Food and Agriculture Organization is part of, or it is a specialized agency of UN. Okay, and the given options are cereals, dairy products, sugar and pulses. So actually this food price index, it is a measure of the monthly change in the international prices of a basket of food commodities. We know in India we have a CPI, consumer price index, and it consists of a basket of goods. Likewise, this food price index consists of a basket of food items, and these food items are, the first one is cereals, then oil seeds, then dairy products, then meat, then sugar. So this food price index measure the monthly change in the international price of this given basket of food commodities, and pulses are not included under this index. So you should know down these type of exemptions. If you know these exemptions, then you can easily eliminate options. Okay, so the pulses are not included under this food price index, and the base year of this price index is, food price index is 2014 to 16. Okay, so let's move on to the question. These cereals, dairy products and sugar, these are included under this food price index. Pulses is not included under this price index. So we can, we got the answer option D, pulses. Okay. So now we learn two index, global innovation index, and the second one is food price index. Okay. Thank you.